Here's the problem that we will solve together in this tutorial. The problem consists of a block that is attached to a spring, such that it can oscillate freely back and forth. The block has a mass of 250 grams and the spring has a spring constant of 7 newtons per meter. The spring in this situation we consider to be massless, and the surface we can consider to be frictionless. The initial conditions for this problem then are that the block is pulled back 8 centimeters from equilibrium, and at time t equals 0 the block is released. It will set it into motion such that it oscillates back and forth, and you're going to be asked to find the period of oscillation, the position, velocity, and acceleration of the block as functions of time, as well as the maximum velocity and maximum acceleration of the block as it oscillates. Go ahead and on your paper now, draw the diagram for the problem, including these values that we know. Also make a list what you're going to be asked to find throughout the tutorial, and then proceed to the next page.